So that's a Swiss Cheese Crag. This way, please.
Hey there.
Tell our audience a little bit about yourself.
Okay, I have been living in Shanghai the past 2 years as an English teacher, and I'm here on my Dragon Boat Festival holiday. I started climbing just a couple months ago, but Sam is helping me.
Getting worse. No way.
Helping me improve, yeah. So Sam, where are we going up today?
Today we're gonna do a 5/8 as a warm-up, and then we'll do 2 5/9s, and then you can try a 10/8, see if you can finish all the way up or not.
Okay.
You know,
Works like all around the center.
so we go all the way to the mat. Alright, Gabi, are you excited to get it on?
Of course, yeah. Thanks
Okay.
for setting this up.
There you go.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So. Woohoo!
Yay, that was fun.
Welcome back on Earth. Wanna spice things up a little bit?
Yeah, I was never like shaking up there, you know? I want to have that feeling of like, I don't think I can do it, and then you grab it, and then you're like, I can do it!
We're gonna wrap this up with Gabi saying something about today's session.
Yeah, no, I just feel like so lucky that I got to come out here with Fun Sam and Chili, and I made it up a 10B. I'm excited for myself.
Who told you that was a 10B? That was only 5/9. 10B. You got it.
Yeah, 10B.
Yeah.
Great.
It's been an awesome afternoon. It's been so great. So thank you guys.
Congrats.
Congrats.
You've already
Congrats.
graduated Swiss Cheese Crag. 10B. The
Thank
hardest
you.
one over here.
Oh really? No way.
Yes.
Cool. Damn, thank you.
Okay.
Did it.
Okay.